Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamil. So today we are going to discuss about Nasdaq 100 indices. So first of all, we are on the daily time frame. As we can see, the market has made continuously on the higher high and very strong bullish trend on the upside. But if we see on the current market, it has been closed 15,239. So now we're going to discuss about where market possibly to take a U-turn. There's the first things we have to be in mind. This is buyer and seller game. So the round level is very important. Will be the resistance in this condition, and this will be the range of 15,400 and 15,300 or 350. This will be the range for the market may take as a resistance. First things we need to see, um, there is a there is a U-turn that market has been made from here. Uh, this was the candle where the fresh seller has been entering the market, and the market has been standing near on them. So if the market possibility very high market probably will be on the flat range or on the gap up range. In between two range, if the market has opened, it will may go in the higher side till 15,400 or 15,350 on the first half. The second half we may expect that it will be return. No problem, we will go on the 15-minute time frame, but just we are guessing where the market will be U-turn from the second half. So this is uh, on a daily time frame. It's look very strong. There is no any sign the market will may take a reverse, but as I can see, the market is standing near on the resistance level, as we can clearly see 15,400 and 15,300. So buyer, as we can see, is still holding each and every level. They are holding the market because they're damn sure that he is not going to take a reverse. But there is a strong possibility 15,400 and 15,300 will may act as a resistance. So if they saw, suppose this candle buyer and they are here, this buyer and that buyer, if they saw any negative sign from the top 15,400, 350, they will prefer to take a profit booking. Once they will book their profit, no doubt the market will take a reverse. So to do make sure, we have to we have to switch on the 50-minute time frame. Let's do it. Here's our 50-minute time frame. So trend is very strong bullish candle, no doubt. The trend line is very strong, and the buyer each and every swing market has been pulling up. This is very good sign for the market. But those are holding the profit from 14,200 and 13,900. Each and every swing buy has been coming. Each and every swing buy has been coming on the market. But one thing's to remember, as we can see, the last momentum market yesterday has been gap up, and it has been done profit booking within 45 minutes. Then new fresh buyer has been activated on the market, but those are already made a profit, and those whom are holding from the bottom, they are also making a huge profit. For them, 1 is to 3 4, and those who are also even buy in the last day on the market, they also have been made already 1 is to 1.5 or near on 1 is to 2. So we have to consider now where the market may take a reverse. There is a round level. Here is the round level 15,400 and 15,360, 350. This range will be very crucial level for the market. Suppose if the market has been open flat 15,000 above 250, 15,240, if the market has been open 15,250 and 60, then it might will take a new high again for the today. Today is 30 April, March, sorry, 30 March today. So this will be the range maybe today if he is open on the gap up in the sense slightly gap up, not more than 100 or 150. it must have to gap up slightly near on 15,060, 260, 270. Then we might see the market will take a new high again. But one thing we may consider, if he had directly opened on the gap down scenario below 200, 15,200 or 15,000, 150, 60, in between this range, if he open here, then this swing will be the first resistance, because his seller is waiting on that level. If they saw the market has opened on the gap down scenario, the things might be possible. We have to wait at least for 15 minutes. The first candle, if the first candle has made a negative, first one completely make a negative candle, then there's a confirmation the seller has been empty in the market and the trend was very strong. Then buyer will try to act as bullish sign here. Then this swing, if this swing is already sustained and built the selling position, then high possibility the market will not going to be sustained here, and he will about to fall down here. But I'm not saying it's going to be a negative scenario, but there will be the support. So market will be on volatile range for the today. If he open and below 15,200 and 15,150, there will be might be the scenario. But again, what I'm saying, if market has opened on the slightly gap up or flat in this two range, still we will see for the buying momentum, because closing was very strong. Buyer is still interested, and they believe it might be go again on the next high. And as we analysis 15,400 for 300 and 350, 40, and the 400 is very round level for the market, very strong resistance for the market. So as we can see, we have the 2 days for the option expiry uh, on the Nasdaq 100. So to be honest, as I'm seeing, the premium of the call side put side is damn high. People, as you can see, put had been shot here, and 15,000 to 15,000 round level has been shot on the put side, and also 14,600 has been done put short. So put premium has been damn high, and the call premium, oh, sorry about that, guys. So one thing we can also consider, if the market has been open and here flat, and he might going to go on the higher side. Once it reach 350 and 340 and any negative scenario, the timing will be very important. It must have to be after 12:30. It must have to be after 12:30. If the market has about to making any negative scenario from this much of higher side, 350, 360, at any negative scenario, we can easily short 15,350, 15,400, 15,400. If we short the call, if we short call side, that would be the very safe side, because mm, once he will once he will take a reverse from here, this buyer will prefer to take the profit, because there is no any level to hold on the higher side for the market. So it might be go on the lower side. It might be possible he will come on the lower side due to the profit booking from the bottom line on for the buyer. So this was the range for today. I hope you understand my point, and this is only my view. Please don't take this as seriously. Do your own research and analysis. And I'm not from any advisor or anyone. I'm just a trader and I'm a beginner. So